If you get this error message on the Canon printer, in this video I will show you how to solve it. First of all, you have to buy new ink, exactly of this type. Afterwards, you have to open here and you have to pull down here. At this point, you can extract the old ink and replace it with a new one. Then you close here and you have to restart. If it helps, you can also basically remove the cable of the power supply and put it back, like I'm trying to do now. So here there should be the cable over here. You remove it and you insert it back. And now it should work. It will take a while and you will hear some noise, but in the end it will be solved. Here we go. Solved.